Good morning, students, and Assalamu alaikum. How are you today? I hope everyone is fine. The Knowledge School Kite Campus, English Literature, Lecture number 17, Revision of Fill in the Blanks and Central Idea, prepared by Ms. Aisha Usman. From Oxford Progressive English, Unit number 1 and 2. Unit number 1, Expedition. Unit number 1, Lesson number 2, Question number 2. Complete the sentences. A compass shows you where the north is. If you camp in the mountains, you need a warm sleeping bag at night time. Most campers carry a small stove for cooking meals. A backpack holds everything that you need for a week's holiday. A day bag holds a few things that you need for a day trip. You use a can opener to open a can of fish. To cut steps in the ice, mountaineers need an ice axe. You use a sledge to put people or goods across snow or ice. Here I have done all the blanks in red. Kindly concentrate and tally all your work with the book. Unit number 2, EPOL's Computers. Unit number 2, Lesson number 2, Question number 1. Choose the correct word to complete each sentences. You type on a keyboard. When you type, use all your fingers and thumbs, not just 2 fingers. You get electricity from a power supply. Turn it off when you finish work. You use a mouse to move the flashing line cursor around your computer screen. Print your work on the printer. It can print pages in color or black and white. To send your emails and files, connect to the internet. You can send your emails, files, and pictures down the phone. Unit number 2, Lesson number 3, Question number 3 on page number 11. Find the words or phrases to complete the sentences. When you browse through documents, you look through them quickly. You keep the names and email addresses of your friends in your address book. When you scroll up or down on a computer screen, you move the document up or down so that you can read it. You keep a group of emails in folders on your computer. If an email cannot be delivered, it bounces back and returns to the sender. You can forward an email which you receive to another person. The header on the email includes the sender details and the time sent. When you receive an email, it goes into the inbox on your computer. Now here we are going to do the central idea of the computers. Unit number 2, Lesson number 5 and Question number 1. Write the central idea of a poem, Computers. In this poem, the poet is telling about the computer uses in our lives. He told that how we do online shopping and take useful information from it. So students, just tally your work with your Oxford Progressive English book. We have already done these units in our class. Right now, we are doing the revision. Be prepared for your exams. Learn all the work by heart. Stay home, stay safe. Take a good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.